Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a simple application you can just download on your phone and be using to make money. Okay, on this application there are lots of things you can do to make money. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you everything from the beginning to the end. Okay, I'm going to show you everything from scratch. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it from the beginning to the end. Okay, and I'll also show you how to withdraw your earning at the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your earning. Okay, so don't skip this video, watch it from the beginning to the end while I show you through the process. Okay, and if this sounds like something you're beginning to like, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment in the comment section below. Just give a good review about the video, about the platform, if it sounds like something you are interested in, if it sounds like something you're going to try out. Okay, so just give the video a like, and if you're new on this channel, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button, because what I do on this platform is I share videos how to make money online. I make research about applications and website that pays. I teach digital skills and a lot more of things you can learn on this channel. Okay, so if you're new here, I'll say you should hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos here, YouTube is just going to notify you and you'll be the first to see the video. Okay, so let me just show you how you can make money on this platform first before I show you how to create account. Okay, so here, this is my dashboard and the name of this platform is Paidwork. Okay, so let me show you what the application looks like. Okay, you can see this app here. Let me just cycle it so you can see. You can see this application here showing Paidwork. This is what I just showed you, which you saw about 10 cents or 11 cents on my dashboard. So this is the application you're going to be downloading to make this money. Okay, so how to download this application? You're going to just check the description of this video. So once you check the description of the video, you're going to get the link of the app. Okay, so once you use the link, you're going to also get a welcome bonus. Okay, so once you use that link, you're going to get a welcome bonus, but if you don't use the link, you're going to just have 0,000 on your dashboard. Okay, so make sure you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. Okay, so now let me show you through how you can just make money easily on this platform. Okay, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, and once you just click on this three dots here showing at the top left corner of the platform, you're just going to click on it and you're going to see options. You can see options here showing, and you can see analytics, you can see billings, you can see referral program, you can see settings. Okay, so once you just click on those three dash, you're going to just click on earn. Okay, I will show you how you can make money on this platform. Okay, this is where you're going to be directed to. Okay, see what they are showing you here. There are a lot of things you can do to make money here. You can play games, you can fill out surveys, you can watch videos, you can do online shoppings. Okay, any of these things you do can actually help you make money on this platform. Okay, I'm not going to be doing the other ones because it's going to take time, so I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so I'll just watch one video, and one sweet thing here is the videos are just short 30 seconds adverts. Okay, so once you click on earn, you click on Fiverr. Make sure you stick to this video because I'm going to show you how to create the account. Okay, that's the most important thing. If you just skip this video and you go to the website yourself, you might make some mistakes. Okay, so after you click on earn, you click on Fiverr, the next thing is to click on start watching videos. Okay, you see they just told us we're going to receive 1 point, and what 1 point is 1 cent. Okay, so let's see the video here. You can see it's just an advert, just 12 seconds video. You can see it's loading. Okay, let's just wait for the video to finish, so you're going to just see how the money is going to be added to my dashboard. Okay, now the video is done. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this times icon here. You're just going to click on it. So once you click on it, you can actually watch other videos, but I don't want to watch more. I don't want to take much of your time, so I'll just check my dashboard, and you see the earning is going to be added already. So let's just check and see how much you have here. Okay, you can see previously it was 11 and now you can see it's 12. So the more you watch the videos, the more your money increases. Okay, so you can also download apps, you can fill out surveys, you can do a lot of things, and you can also refer people to join this platform. Okay, so when you refer people to join this platform, you're automatically going to be getting okay, let's see what they have here. Invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on paid work. If the person makes their first payout, you both will get $10 for free. Okay, so you see it. So once the person you invite to this platform makes $10, you're also going to make $10. Okay, so you can see you can be making money in different ways. You can be making money by watching videos, filling out surveys, by downloading apps, inviting friends and all that. Okay, so make sure you follow these steps. Okay, make sure you follow these steps. And the next thing right now is I will just log out from my dashboard. I will log out from my dashboard and I'm going to show you how you can create this account. It is something very simple. And one thing about this platform is it works worldwide. Okay, it actually works worldwide. It doesn't select country or anywhere you are. Anywhere you are, you can work on this platform and get paid. Okay, all you just have to do is create account, and after creating account, whenever you want to withdraw your money, just use your PayPal account. Okay, in case you don't have a PayPal account, I'm going to tell you how to get one. Okay, so let me just show you how to create this account first. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to input your email address here. So after inputting your email address, you click okay, or you type in a password you like to be your password. Okay, so because whenever you want to log in again, you'll be asked for a password, and you click on sign in with Google. So after clicking on that, you just click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you're going to be sent a verification code to the email address you provided here. Okay, so once the verification code gets to you, you just go and click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to automatically be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so let me just go back to my dashboard right now and show you how you can get a PayPal account. Okay, yes, the video is still loading. Okay, fine, this is my dashboard, and if you want to withdraw your earning, they only pay with PayPal. Okay, but you don't have to panic. Wherever you are, you can as well create a PayPal account and still withdraw your money. Okay, you can create a PayPal account. So this is what you do if you don't have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, just go on YouTube. Well, I'll show you the process. Okay, just go on YouTube. Okay, so once you open your YouTube app or the website or wherever you're searching it from, you just go on YouTube, search for how to create a PayPal account in any country you are. It might be in Nigeria, it might be in Ghana, in South Africa, or any country you are. Those countries that PayPal doesn't work in, there are ways you can create PayPal account. You can see there are lots of videos here you can watch. Okay, I haven't made any video on that. That's why I can't be mixing the videos. Okay, it will be very long, and I know that is not what you want. Okay, so what you're going to just do is watch any of this video and follow the process. So after creating your PayPal account, I think you're just good to go. Okay, so now you know how to download the app, you know how to make money using the app, you know how to watch the videos, you know how to withdraw your earnings by using PayPal. Okay, so the next thing is, if you want to make more money on that platform, what you want to do is learn how to invite people. Okay, so I'll also show you that process right now. Okay, if you want to make more money on this platform, this is what you're going to do. Okay, you're just going to refer people to this platform, and by doing this, you're going to be making more money. And how to refer people? You mustn't walk around to tell people about the platform. You can actually do everything online. Okay, so this is what you do. Once you just click on this referral program, you're going to just copy your referral link. Okay, so once you copy your link, what you want to do is you go on Facebook groups. Okay, you go on Facebook group is actually a very cool way to get referrals. Okay, there are lots of people who are looking for ways to make money online. Okay, so you just go on Facebook, you search for groups that has to do with making money online. So when you join those groups, you're just going to post about this platform, and when you see people comment, they are when they comment on your own post, you're just going to reply them with your referral link. Okay, so when you reply them with your referral link and they click on it and they create account on this website, wherever they are making or whatever amount they are making, you're going to be getting a percentage. Once they have their threshold of $10, you can also have your $10 immediately. Okay, so that is why it is important for you to refer people to this platform as well. That, and if you don't want to refer people, it's fine, you can as well withdraw your money whenever you get to $10. Okay, it's not compulsory to refer people, but if you want to make more money, you have to refer people. Okay, so when you refer people, you make money, you download apps, you make money, you complete surveys, you make money, you watch videos, you still make money. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. So if this sounds like something that you've learned something from, just give this video a like and also make sure you share this video. Okay, so now I want you to drop a comment on the comment section below. Tell me the type of survey you want to start first. Tell me the one you want to start first. Is it downloading app, or the you want to be filling out the survey, or you want to be watching videos, or you want to be doing the online shopping, or you prefer the referral package? So which one do you prefer? Which one would you like to start first? So drop it in the comment section below, and I'm going to see your comment, and I'll give you a very good reply as well. Okay, so once again, if you're new on this channel, hit that subscribe button, don't forget. Okay, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos on this my channel, YouTube is just going to notify you that, hey, I've just dropped a new video, and you're just going to see it, watch it, and also learn whatever I teach in the video. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, once again, give it a like and also share with friends. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.